Hello there, I'm Alex and welcome to this episode of AVARigs. This week we take a look at a computer that highlights our elite level partnership with ASUS and Cooler Master. Let's start with the specs. Inside this build is an ASUS ROG Strix Z390H motherboard, Intel Core i7-9700K overclocked, an ASUS dual RTX 2070 8GB graphics card, 16GB of Kingston memory clocked at 2666 MHz, a Cooler Master ML240R liquid cooling system, a 500GB and a 1TB 970 Evo Plus Samsung M.2 SSD, and 1TB Crucial hard drive, all inside of the Cooler Master MC600P tempered glass case. This PC bridges the gap between professional looking machine and a flashy gaming system. The case has a subdued look to it, the corners are sharp and sleek, and it has a smoked glass side panel. Inside, the AIO cooling system has a look that is different than most closed-loop liquid cooling on the market. And it's RGB, so not everything about this build looks buttoned up. It has an ASUS RTX 2070 on board. This card is ray tracing capable and it can run games at 60 frames per second at 1440p. Couple that with the overclocked i7-9700K and there's no worry about this system's ability to run AAA titles. All of this sits on the ASUS Strix ROG Z390H motherboard. This motherboard has some RGB elements and it's all decked out in the ROG theme to give it a gaming look. If you like this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at AVADirect. See you next time. If you'd like to have the PC in this video, or need help building one that's right for you, please visit the link in this description. You can choose from one of our pre-built gaming or workstation systems, or use our simple configurator to design one to meet your unique needs. Click thumbs up and subscribe if you liked this video, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for even more, at AVADirect.